First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our teachers. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and commitment that made our learning journey meaningful and enjoyable. You have not only taught us the lesson from books, but also the lesson about life, discipline, and character.
Let us give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His blessing and mercy that allows us to gather on this joyful occasion. The graduation ceremony of the Fatih Bilingual School 2026.
Selalu ada untuk tempat kalian pulang dan memperbaikinya. Selamat untuk kalian semua anak-anakku. Perjalanan masih panjang dan akan segera kalian mulai.
Fatih Bilingual berjanji. 1. Beriman dan bertakwa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa.